Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mazda Deposit Cleaner. This product is designed to keep your engine running smoothly by tackling carbon deposits. Using it helps restore lost power, improves your vehicle's fuel economy, and ensures a smoother engine start. It is crucial to only use the genuine Mazda cleaner to protect your engine from harm. Now, let's get to the simple process of adding the cleaner. First, make sure your fuel tank is completely full. This ensures the correct concentration for optimal cleaning. Next, take 1 bottle of the genuine Mazda Deposit Cleaner, which is typically 200 milliliters, and pour its entire contents directly into your fuel tank. If your tank wasn't full when you added it, please fill it up right away. Once the cleaner is in your fuel tank, it begins its work as you drive. The special active ingredients mix with your fuel, circulating through the entire fuel system. This process effectively removes accumulated carbon deposits from critical areas like your fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. These loosened deposits are then transported to the combustion chamber and safely burned off, leaving your engine cleaner. For continuous optimal engine performance, it is recommended to use Mazda Genuine Deposit Cleaner every 10,000 kilometers. For even better preventative maintenance and cleaning, you might consider using it every 5,000 kilometers. Consistent application helps prevent common issues such as rough idling, poor acceleration, and reduced fuel efficiency, ensuring your Mazda runs at its very best for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.